Hello guys, good morning. I am Shaten Rao from Rao Coaching Classes. Today I will discuss the application of Gauss law. In previous lectures we already studied the application of Gauss law. It is the second part of the application of Gauss law. Okay? Then start the application of the Gauss law. First application is this: इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड ड्यू टू थीन स्फेरिकल सेल। ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम लोग थर्ड एप्लीकेशन स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं गाइस, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू थीन स्फेरिकल शेल। ठीक है, कंसीडर अ शेल, दैट इज कंसीडर अ सेल विच इज सेंटर ओ एंड रेडियस इज कैपिटल आर। इट्स consider the Gaussian surface around this spherical shell as like this, which is the radius small r from the point P. This is the radius r from the point P. P is considered the point where we find the electric field. ठीक है, जैसा कि यहाँ पे देखिए दिखाया गया है, let us consider a thin spherical shell of the surface charge density sigma, which is distributed continuous in the spherical shell, and radius is capital R. By observation, the shell has the spherical symmetry, therefore we can evaluate the electric field due to the spherical shell in two different positions. यहाँ पे देखिए हम लोग दो तरीके से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करेंगे, एक एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट दैट इज पी पॉइंट पे एंड इनसाइड ऑफ द स्फेयर, या वी कैन से दैट वी फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आउटसाइड ऑफ द स्फेयर एंड इनसाइड ऑफ द स्फेयर. देन वी स्टडी फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड outside the sphere at point P. Let us consider the Gaussian surface will pass through a point P and experience a constant electric field E all around, as all points are equally distance small r from the center of the sphere. Then according to the Gauss law, total flux phi equal to Q by epsilon naught. ठीक है, then here we find the total flux around the spherical shell. ठीक है, this is the total electric flux phi equal to E dot A. Here A is the surface area of the sphere, that is A equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Here radius r is smaller. ठीक है, r square. So the charge Q equal to, as we know that surface charge density sigma equal to Q by A. ठीक है, there we can find Q equal to sigma into cross sectional area, that is 4 pi capital R square. 4 pi capital R square. So put the value of this in the total flux phi, we get this expression here, that is total total flux E into 4 pi R square. Here put the value of phi E into 4 pi R square and is equal to sigma into 4 pi r here, that is r square, not a r cube. Okay guys, here r square, not r square, that is 4 pi 4 pi r square divided by sigma epsilon naught. Okay, then solve this, that is 4 pi to 4 pi cancel out. ठीक है, then you find the equal to sigma into capital R square divided by epsilon naught into R square. Okay, here again putting the value of the surface charge density sigma as q upon 4 pi capital R square, we can rewrite the equation as here equal to kq upon small r, where k is the constant value. ठीक, this k is again we consider in the vector form, that is capital equal to vector equal to kq r square into r cap, that is position vector or unit vector. ठीक है, so this is the electric field at the outside of the surface P. Okay, then next we find the electric field inside the surface. Here electric field inside the sphere, that is we evaluate the electric field inside the spherical cell. Let us take the point P inside the spherical cell. ठीक है, by symmetry we again take the spherical Gaussian surface passing through the point P. ठीक है, concern a center of O and with radius small r. Now according to the Gaussian law, phi equal to q upon 4 pi r square, then net electric flux, that is E into 4 pi r square, then put the value of this. ठीक है, we find the electric field. ठीक है, equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. ठीक है, here that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi r square 4 pi epsilon naught r square into q. Okay, then question is here arise, why in there no electric field inside the spherical cell. ऐसे हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि P पॉइंट हम लोग अंदर ले लें. ठीक, वहाँ पे हम फ्लक्स कंसीडर करके इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर स्क्वायर इंटू क्यू हो सकता है, बट इनसाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जीरो होता है. ठीक है, इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी जीरो because the enclosed charge q will be zero inside the sphere, because we all know that all the charge accumulated on the surface of the sphere. Here that is a charge is accumulated on the surface of the sphere, not inside this. So there will not charge inside the spherical cell, there will be no flux generate inside of this point, so there will be no electric field inside of the sphere. ठीक है, that is why the surface charge density is disappeared outside the surface, therefore there is no charge inside the sphere, that is total flux phi equal to 0, that is why electric field equal to 0. So the electric field inside the sphere will be 0. Okay, तो ये था हम लोगों का टोटल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द गॉस लॉ. अगर आपको कोई डाउट होता है तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो आज का सेशन गाइस यहीं पे फिनिश होता है. ठीक है, तो थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए.